Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a Piper Cherokee 140. Welcome to Free Pilot Training. I'm Josh, and this is my friend Paul. And today I'm going to use the Checkmate Plus checklist to show you how to start this Piper Cherokee 140. This is the Checkmate Plus. This is a newer version of their older checklist. And it's supposed to be designed so that it has a little bit better flow to it than the older checklist. And it's a pretty nice looking checklist, and these are pretty cheap. But let's see if we can start the airplane with this checklist. I've already completed these first 3 line items here, and now we're going to start with the starting checklist here. All right, seat track and back is locked. We don't want those to move on us in flight. Avionics is off. Autopilot, this airplane doesn't have an autopilot. And then carb heat's off. Mixture full rich, that's this guy right here. Throttle slight. So what I like to do is I like to put my finger out about 1/4 of an inch here and then push it in until the throttle is about 1/4 inch in. And then brakes, we want to make sure we hold those. I've actually got the parking brake set here. And then the next step is to prop clear. We want to make sure the prop's clear. And then master on. Beacon on. Beacon's on. And then fuel pump on. Low-wing aircraft typically have a fuel pump over here, and this is just an extra fuel pump, and we use it for starting and when we're taking off and landing and when we're flying close to the ground. That way it gives it a little bit extra fuel, and if the engine-driven fuel pumps go out on us, then we don't lose an engine. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on for the start, and then we're ready to go. All right, I'm going to go mag start. So this plane's kind of weird. It has a both setting here, and then the starter's actually over here on a button, but typically newer planes, actually most planes, the starter's over here on the mags. All right, mag start. Okay, and then we're gonna jockey the throttle a little bit, and then we're gonna bring it back to 1,000 RPM. Clear.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, so engine's running. I've got the throttle back at about 1,000 RPM. First thing we want to check after we get the engine started is the oil pressure's in the green. She's just barely in the green. Usually it does take some time for these older engines to come up. As long as it's right there on the edge, that's fine. But when we start putting a little bit more power in, you'll see it'll come up full into the green. All right, fuel pump off. That's over here. That's because we have an engine-driven fuel pump. Once again, we're not using that fuel pump for just sitting here on the ground, but we will turn it back on for takeoff and landing. Fuel pressure, as soon as we turn that off, we want to make sure that we still have fuel pressure. If we didn't, that would indicate that we have a bad fuel pump. And then lights as required. So this is a day VFR flight, so the only light we actually need is the rotating beacon. And then I'm actually going to turn the nav lights on, because that's going to give us ADS-B, because this airplane has a tail beacon. Normally you wouldn't need the nav lights unless we're operating at night, but this particular plane, I'll just leave the nav lights on just because of that. All right, mixture as required. We're going to leave it full rich for today because we're at a low altitude and it's pretty cool, so we don't need to lean that in any way. If we're in Colorado or something, we might need to fiddle with this, and I'll explain that at a later time. But that's how you started Piper Cherokee 140, and I like this Checkmate checklist. This is a Checkmate Plus. This is available on my website if you guys want to check that out. It's pretty cheap, and this can actually help you if you chair fly through this checklist and when you get out to the plane. It can be beneficial to know what you're looking at before you actually get to the plane. And so if you guys want to check that out, that's at freepilottraining.net. And thanks for watching. We'll see ya.